This is like the north of Spain on a sunny day.
I feel alive again.
Well, I hope we get a good summer now. I feel like this is like a teaser.
After weeks and weeks of the weather being as gloomy as the news cycle, Ireland is finally basking in sunshine. So how are you feeling?
Oh, I'm delighted about it. Literally, like, it's so nice to just be out on a Friday in the sun and yeah, it's great.
It makes a difference to your mood when the sun is
Oh
out.
my God, so much happier. And even in work, everyone's happier. And like out on the street, everyone's happier. Everyone's in a good mood. So yeah, it's great.
The fact that you have so much light that you can go outside and walk is it's like a different island for me.
And everybody is smiling. I mean, everyone you see is smiling. And I can play sport and not be freezing.
I'm from California, yeah.
So this is a big change for you, the Irish winter.
Yes, definitely. It's kind of more mild, but definitely this year was very rainy, yes. And no sun. Very sad couple of months there, yeah.
It makes such a difference.
It does. And
Everyone's cheerful.
exactly. Do you feel like it makes a difference to like your mood and
Oh,
everything?
absolutely.
No doubt about it.
Med Éireann says temperatures could reach 21 degrees in some parts of Ireland over the weekend, with some hopes it could even last until the May bank holiday.